Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making porridge cocoyam, so stay with me on this video and see how I make it. And also, if you're new here, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get right into it. Here we have our cocoyam already peeled. Here you can see we have our palm oil, country onion. What is turning cocoa without country onions for flavor? Fresh pepper, garlic, ginger, clove, and bush pepper. When it comes to traditional meal, I always like to prepare it in a real traditional way, and I always make sure I implement all the traditional spices. And next we have smoked fish. Here we have our bitter leaf, original bitter leaf already washed with 1 large onion. And here we have the master that is going to blend everything together, crayfish and Maggi. So you can see now we start with our cocoyam. So I'm going to put everything together, the salt, the Maggi and the blended spices, the palm oil, everything. The only thing I'm going to put the last is just a crayfish. I'm going to put everything together, so it's going to cook together. So at this process, after pouring all the spices together and put water, I'm sorry I did not estimate the measurement of water, but when preparing your porridge cocoyam, you should just be estimating the water gradually. So I'm going to put everything together and I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes, then I check it again. Minutes after I added my bitter leaf. What is porridge cocoyam without bitter leaf now? I added a little bit of water. As I earlier told you, when preparing your porridge cocoyam, you add the water gradually. Wow, you can see our porridge cocoyam is giving. Now I added my crayfish. It's almost ready, guys. Everything about this porridge cocoyam is the final stage of it is our country onions, the most traditional spices with too much vibes. Country onions, oh my goodness. See, only the flavor from this cocoyam, I cannot even stand it. It's too much. Now I'm going to cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes after our cocoyam is ready.